In this video, I'll show you how to create a quiz or poll on your Instagram story. It's a simple way to make your stories more interactive and encourage your followers to engage with your content. First, open the Instagram and tap the plus icon, then select Story. Choose a photo or video from your gallery or capture a new one using the camera. Once your content is ready, tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen. From the available sticker options, select Poll if you want to create a poll or quiz if you want to ask a question with multiple answers. Now, enter your question and add the answer choices. When you're finished, tap Done to add the poll or quiz to your story. You can resize the sticker, move it around the screen, and change its appearance to fit your story. Once everything looks the way you want, tap your story to publish it. That's it. Your quiz or poll is now live, and your followers can start interacting with it right away. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.